Are you searching for the best jigsaw tool? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best jigsaw tools in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. AOBEN 600-watt electric jigsaw guide 6 variable speed electric saw. Sharp blades. The electric jigsaw is made of high-quality stainless steel blades, which are durable and corrosion-resistant, can be used for a long time. Widely used, this electric jigsaw is suitable for all kinds of household appliances, such as wood, metal, ceramic, glass, stainless steel, and so on. Small size. This electric jigsaw is small in size and light in weight, which is convenient for you to carry and store. Carbon brush jigsaw. The electric jigsaw is made of carbon brush, which has good toughness, high strength, and corrosion resistant. Carbon power tools. The electric jigsaw is equipped with carbon power tools, which can cut through all kinds of metals easily and quickly. Metal electric jig. Electric jig head, made of durable metal material, with 3 levels of precision operation, easy to operate. Metal saw guide. AOBEN electric jigsaw guide made by high-quality metal, which has a stronger tension, more durable, and easier to use. 6-speed regulation. This part is a 6-speed electronic regulating wheel. From the 1st gear to the 6th gear, the speed of the machine will be gradually accelerated. When you want to cut the plastic, you can use any of the 1st gear to the 4th gear. When you are cutting aluminum, you can use either gear 2 or gear 3. You can use either gear 3 or 4 when cutting stainless steel. Any gear between gear 3 and 6 can be used to cut steel plates. When cutting wood, you can use either gear 5 or 6.